Support and resistance. For effective, consistent, and profitable trading, you need to have strong understanding of technical analysis. So, what is technical analysis? It is nothing but chart reading. Common point in chart reading is support and resistance. A lot of people call this demand and supply also. So, basically, when we read a chart, the common factor which you will face will be support and resistance. So, if we have clear understanding of support and resistance, chart reading becomes easier. And when chart reading becomes easier, it will be easier to gauge the market. And to take a trade, the first thing you need is to gauge the market and see where the market is heading, so that we can take a trade. So everything is intertwined, everything is connected. So first thing which comes to our knowledge is support and resistance. Now, when we talk about support and resistance, there are different type of support and resistance providers in the market, in the charts. Pivot points, CPR, they are support and resistance providers which are very strong. They are strong support and resistance providers, and they are already there in the indicators. So if you want to use them, you just have to click and the support and resistance pivot points and CPR will come and you can use them. Virgin CPR, old CPR, previous day high and low, 1 hour high and low, swing high and low. What are these? We'll tell you. However, they are also support and resistance provider, but we have to manually calculate them and put them on the chart. This also will tell you. Now there are few indicators also, like super trend, exponential moving average. We will be using 20 exponential moving average for our system. They also react to support and resistance in the market, and they are also in the form of indicators. So basically what I'm telling you is, when we read charts, we have to focus on support and resistance and indicators and parameters which provide support and resistance. So let us understand each one of them individually and put them on the charts so that we see how they look on chart and how can we read charts. Yeah. Okay, here is our first topic, support and resistance. So basically, what is support and resistance? These are nothing but the sensitive lines on the chart which gives support or resistance to the price action candle. When price action candle meets the sensitive line, three things can happen. Number one, a breakout can happen, or a reversal can happen, or market can go sideways. It's also called flat market. Let me tell you this with the example of very simple chart explanation. Let's say this is a chart and we have two sensitive lines here, 1 and 2, and this is a price action candles which is going up. So in first scenario, when it touches the sensitive line, it is able to break this sensitive line which is resistance and give a clear breakout. In second scenario, let's say the price action candle is touching the sensitive line. In this scenario, the price action candle could not break the resistance and it is giving a reversal now. In our third scenario, let's say price action candle is going up, and when it touches the sensitive line, instead of giving a breakout or a reversal, it started moving in sideways pattern. Why this sideways pattern happens, I'll tell you in my future slides. And so basically this is one concept you have to understand. This is a place where most of the buyers and sellers exit and enter the trade. And these are the points where most of the stop losses are also kept by the traders. So this is another important point. These are the entry and exit levels for traders. There is one more concept I want to clear before we move forward. From now on, let's not say sensitive lines and focus more on support and resistance and how this thing works. Imagine this is a price action candle and it is going up. Right now, the sensitive line, which we called as support and resistance, right now there is a resistance here. And let's say the price action candle is able to break this resistance and went up. Now the same line is giving support to the price action candle. So the concept is very clear. When the candle is below the sensitive line, it is giving resistance, and when the price action candle is above the sensitive line, it is giving support to the price action candle. Yeah, I hope this concept is clear now. Let's see in our next chart the three levels: breakout, reversal and sideways individually.